Heading is indirect sources. First one, employee referral. The existing employees of the organization may recommend some of their relatives or known people who will be suitable for the existing vacancies. Based on the creditability of the employee, the referral will be considered. Second one, government public employment exchanges. These are exchanges established by government which facilitate recruitment throughout the country. Through employment exchange, the vacancies are filled. Private employment agencies. These are similar to public employment exchange except the ownership is the hands of private parties. Then employment consultancies. These type of firms facilitate retirement on behalf of client companies at cost. Usually they provide data relating to the executives and top level personnel for which service they charge consultation fees, also known as recruitment process outsourcing. Then professional association. Organizations seeking applicants of high caliber and repute with technical knowledge approach professional associations like Institute of Chartered Accountant, the Indian Medical Association, the Institute of Training and Development, the Institute of Engineers, All India Management Association, etc. to identify the right persons. Then job portals. Using internet job portals, organizations can screen for the prospective candidate and fill up their vacancies. Then deputations. A person who is already an employee of an organization can be deputed for a specific job for a specific period as a short term solution. Then word of mouth. The information relating to job seekers is collected through people of repute who pass the message about the vacancies to their known people. So orally they can send the messages to the known people in order to fill the vacancies. Then labor contractors. Organizations recruit unskilled and manual laborers through these contractors. Then job portals. Using internet job portals, organizations can screen for the prospective candidate and fill up their vacancies. The next heading is recent trends in recruitment. The recent method of recruitment by organization include the following methods. First one, outsourcing. There are outsourcing firms that help in the process of recruiting through screening of applications and finding the right person for the right job, for which job they are paid service charges. So outsourcing. These are outsourcing firms that help in the process of recruiting through screening of applications and finding the right persons for the job, for which job they are paid services charges. So recruitment process outsourcing. First one, recruitment understanding. Then advertise and source. Then third one, screening. Fourth one, validation. Fifth one, profile submission. Sixth one, interview process and feedback. Then seventh one, selection and follow. The last heading is poaching. Organization, instead of training and developing their own employees, hire employees of other competitive companies by paying them more both financial and non-financial benefits. It is also called raiding. So the companies can install or own other competitive companies for paying them more both financial and non-financial benefits. It is also called raiding. So that's all this lesson. In this lesson we studied about the recruitment methods. So recruitment methods, two methods, internal source and external sources. Internal source we can see the points, and external sources, indirect and direct sources, and recent trends of recruitment methods. Here we have 5 choose questions is here. First one, recruitment is the process of identifying dash. Answer is right man for right job, good performer, right job, all of the above. The answer is right men for right job. And second one, recruitment bridges gap between dash and dash. Job seeker and job provider, job seeker and agent, job provider and owner, owner and servant. The answer is A, job seeker and job provider. Third one, advertisement is a dash source of recruitment. The options are internal, external, agent and outsourcing. Answer is external B. Fourth one, transfer is a dash source of recruitment. Options are internal, external, outsourcing, none of the above. Answer is A, internal. Fifth one, e-recruitment is possible only through dash facility. Computer, internet, broadband. Last one, 4G. The answer is internet. 2 mark question 5 is given. Give the meaning of recruitment. What is promotion? Write any two internal source of recruitment. What is meant by campus recruitment? Fifth one, what is meant by poaching? So there are 5 2 mark questions are given. 3 mark questions 4 given. Define the term recruitment. What is meant by unsolicited applicants? What is meant by job portals? Fourth one, state the steps in recruitment process outsourcing. Long answer. 3 questions are given. First one, explain the internal sources of recruitment, any 5 headings. Second one, explain the external source of recruitment, that is also any 5 heading. Then third one, what is the recent trends in recruitment. Okay, that's all children. Read the lessons carefully and revise the chapter fully. I will see you soon with my next video. Thank you.